if you're watching this, I hope that you've already looked at the phase 1 video, which was the prep of the area. If not, go ahead and take a look at phase 1 and come on back and check out phase 2. I was out doing my morning walkthrough, and this has been here for a while. I think neighbors let their dog pee there. This is in my parkway. And so I decided, you know, to go ahead and clean out the junk. And I was like, why not just go ahead and throw some seed in there and see what it does? So then I had the bright idea of going over here where I removed the tree and kind of do the same. So I've thrown some seed in there. It's the no net tall fescue, and I figured, you know, let's see what the seed does in these temperatures. Worst case scenario, I can go back in and reseed it when I do the overseeding of the rest of the yard. So let's see how that goes. Want to give you a quick update on this. If you notice, as we get closer, you see some grass growing in there. It is August 31st, and as you can see, as we come up on the spot, it has nicely filled in. Now, one thing that I realized is that I probably need to put some more soil in there. So I've been kind of sprinkling soil in there a little bit at a time. I have overseeded the rest of the yard, so there's a little bit more seed in there. Not that I needed it, it's just it got in there by accident. So that is where we are. My fertilizer of choice for the area is the Brix 2277, which is a slow release, and it did really well in helping the grass establish. So this is basically going to be the last update, and a couple things I want to point out is that the temperatures here did fluctuate between the mid 80s, lower 90s throughout this whole period of the grass coming in. So even though I say this is my fall project, it's technically my summer project because fall is not even here yet. We're 20 days away from fall, and I have grass growing there in that spot. So I consider the project overall a great success. Now, I won't be doing any more updates because I have overseeded the whole yard at this point, and it's gonna get a little bit tough to determine, you know, which areas which at what point, and the data probably won't be useful to you at that point. So we're gonna stop it here. But as always, please leave me a comment. Let's chat about what you have going on, and I'd love to hear about your fall projects. Look at that, it's doing good.